Hi, Kaya. I just wanted to stop and reflect on the first few weeks of all the work we've been doing, um, and particularly all the in-service. I really truly did appreciate the time that we were able to work as teams and kind of work on what we were trying to get done. And that time will prove to be put to good use as we jump in here with students and families. The other part I wanted to talk about was all the videos that we got to watch on trainings. I found some quite interesting. I'll definitely rethink standing on chairs, and climbing. Climbing is definitely gonna like. I have a whole new perspective on falling. Um, and then I really the video on how to relax. That was splendid. I don't know who made that, but watching on video on how to relax just really put everything into perspective. And I feel like I have a whole new toolbox. Like, I had one of those little toolboxes, like with the handle and the metal lock, and now I got like one of those big friggin' chest things with all the drawers and all the tools you don't even know what to do with. So thank you for that. Then the final one was the paper bag making, and I just wanted to show you how effective like this stuff is. Like, so I'm going to make a mask bag after watching the video training. So just want you to see like how good this is and how much I've learned. So I know I have to open the bag, and because I have a big head, I had to go with a bigger bag. Just no big deal. I know you guys didn't think about that, and the small bags work for most, but my face mask will have to be this big. Cost me 10 cents, but that's okay. Um, so I know I have to open the bag, and then the video said like just fold the sides. And hold on, sorry about that. Fold it. And just fold in real easy. Fuck it, Kai. I gotta go watch that video on relaxing. I'll try again this later. Bye.